So to start a meeting in Teams, there's a few ways you can do that. You can either schedule a meeting or you could just start a live meeting. So within the team, you might have a separate channel for team meetings. If you go to the camera there and select Meet Now, it will then give you your options whether you want to meet now or you want to schedule a meeting. You can also decide at this point whether you want to have your camera turned on or off. So if I switch mine off for just now and go to Meet Now, then that will take you into the meeting. You can also see here at the side everyone else that's also in the meeting, or you can invite people. So you can just type in their name there and ask them to join. Or you can copy the join information and send that to the person that you want to join your meeting. If you're wanting to mute yourself, you can do that as well. If there's a few people in the meeting, it's maybe a good idea to have folk mute themselves until they want to speak, just to eliminate any background noise. If you want to turn your camera on and off, it's just the camera icon there. When you're ready to hang up, it is the red phone icon, and that will end your meeting.